Geronimo Stilton, our beloved mouse hero, has evolved off the library shelves into a multimodal universe. The original Stilton chapter book series was written starting in 1997 by Italian author Elisabetta Dami. She initially wrote them for sick children in hospitals, but the audience quickly expanded upon the book's international success, with over 187 million books sold in 52 languages. The series was picked up by Analytica Entertainment and expanded into 10 spin-off book series, comics, a television show, stage performances, and an interactive website. This expansion reflects Henry Jakin's Transmedia concept, a process where integral elements of a fiction are dispersed systematically across multiple delivery channels for the purpose of creating a unified and coordinated entertainment experience. The anthropomorphic setting and set narrative structure of the Geronimo Stilton series allows for story world expansion. A story world refers to all the individual narratives that make up the story universe. They are defined by set rules, structures, and settings. This series takes place in a universe that resembles Earth but is inhabited by mice and rats. There are human aspects to the universe. The mice drive cars and wear clothes, but key characteristics make the universe distinctly rodent and fictional. Characters live in New Mouse City and drink hot cups of cheddar. This anthropomorphic world gives the authors the flexibility to invent imagined locations and rodent-specific details in each story. The inventive freedom makes the universe highly expandable over multimedia platforms. Character personality traits and inter-character dynamics are constant throughout the Stilton original series. Therefore, when extended into the spin-off series, plot lines, settings, and specifics change, but the character's general nature remains the same. Take the Geronimo Stilton animated TV show, which ran from 2009 to 2017. Though thematically based on the original books, the plot lines of each new episode are new. However, the consistency of the story world, including characters' personality traits, makes the show distinctly Stilton. To quote Elizabeth Evans, characters are central, if not the central point of engagement for the audience of a television fiction. Each Stilton story follows Joseph Campbell's three-part monomyth narrative structure, which includes departure, initiation, and return. Departure is the period where the protagonist is uprooted from their everyday environment and called to take action in a supernatural world. At the start of each story, Geronimo is reluctantly persuaded to leave his cozy routine and join his family on an adventure. Initiation is where the hero undergoes trials and tribulations, almost faces defeat, yet succeeds with his tasks at hand. Geronimo encounters adversity and has to use his problem-solving skills to overcome them. Return. After their individuation process, the hero comes back home to their everyday environment, but this time as a changed individual. Geronimo returns to his cozy life, but braver and with a new adventure to document in the Rodents Gazette. Though location, time periods, and illustration styles change, the monomyth structure is a Stilton narrative standard. The fantasy, history, and sci-fi spin-offs expanded the Stilton universe beyond an adventure series and into new genres. Other spin-off series feature new main characters to cater to a female demographic. The Thea Stilton series and the Creepella von Cacklefur series star female leads. Observations of children's experiences with transmedia narratives provide a suitable starting point for developing effective approaches to critical multimodal literacy education in the digital age. Stilton's transmedia approach reflects this argument, as the transmedia design is structured to improve literacy skill building for children ages 7 to 10 years old. In the chapter books, playful fonts emphasize particular words on each page, aiming to improve young readers' comprehension skills. For less fluent readers, the graphic series are a perfect way to visually stimulate young readers whilst developing their literary skills. Geronimo Stilton World, the immersive website, is catered to pre-existing fans who want to engage more deeply with the content. Fans can browse books, create rodent avatars, and produce their own article for the Rodents Gazette. This allows readers to contribute their own creativity to the Stilton story world. For creators, the website serves as a marketing tactic to enhance audience engagement and interaction. The success of Geronimo Stilton is attributed to its story world, characters, and narrative structure, which engages audiences across a transmedia ecosystem.